Hey guys, welcome in our Klangio universe. We have something new for all the guitar lovers out there, our new AI software Guitar2Tabs. After piano to notes and sync to notes, we created an artificial intelligence that transcribes your acoustic guitar recordings into tablatures within a few seconds. Sounds easy? It is. And to show you how easy and fast it really is, I will present it for you in a short tutorial. So let's start. Emmanuel has prepared a little riff and is going to show the app in action. First, make sure that your guitar is in tune and your smartphone is placed in a convenient spot in front of you. When you're ready, press the recording button and start playing. If you want to try it out by yourself, you can test the first 30 seconds for free or get a 15% discount for your order. Save time on transcribing music and spend more being creative.